Hello. Good morning to everybody. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah. Now, in a previous class, what I am telling, whenever we are using a not in versus not exist means performance difference. Okay, fine. Same like exist and in operator. But unfortunately, not in operator does not work with the null values. Whereas in exist operator works with the null values. Up to that one we are discussing. Now here some two interview questions are there. What is that one? Can we use exist operator in a single table? Interviewer asking. But unfortunately, project said nobody using. One table column values are testing in a where another table, another related table. Then only we are using a what exist operator. Then only performance is very high compared to in operator. But unfortunately, in a single table, nobody using. But unfortunately, we are using means working. Those queries nobody preferring only. But interview question purpose only I am telling. Okay. Yes, here interview question is there. Write a note. Write a note. Write a note. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, we can also use exist operator in single table. We can also, in all relational databases, we can also use exist operator in single table. Okay. Actually, one table column values are available or not available means exist in operator place exist operator improve performance purpose project side compulsory they are converting. But in a single table means nobody preferring, but working possible. So now here we are intimating to you on nothing. But this is a one interview question is there. What is that one means? Maybe anybody attending a what in a first initial classes self joining on idea. No? In that class, what I am telling, suppose here, this is a query, predefined query I am telling. I want to display the employees who are getting the same salary as a Scott salary. I'm telling you, Scott is a what employee getting a what, how much salary? 3,100. Same salary getting by some other employees there. Yes, that employee also I want to get only. Now here, yes, I want to retrieve by using a what correlated subquery exist operator. Possible. This is a predefined query is there. Oh, maybe single table that is working or not, check it out purpose. Some others are designing only display the employees who are getting more salary than the son of your Scott salary, less than the Scott salary, otherwise same salary, like that only. These type of queries also we are using in aware exist operator. But in this case, nobody given the guarantee improve the performance. Okay, yes, self-joins only they are preferring. But practice purpose, you have to write it this interview question. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting same salary as Scott salary from EMP table. From EMP table by using correlated subquery exists operator. Maybe anybody first time newcomer, they are writing it correctly means great. Why? Because in a child query where condition only properly you have to write it enough. But that is a logical condition. Maybe you are thinking logically means maybe you are writing. Try it. This is a predefined query. In a books also this will be there. Try it only. Parent query very easy. Exist operator okay. But child query where condition properly you are writing is finished. Salary is same. Slowly observe here. Salary is same. Same means maybe how you are writing a logical condition. You are only guess it. And also that employee is a Scott. Slowly. That conditions you are writing means great. Scott is a employee and also that salary is same as another employee salary. Just that logical condition, maybe try it. Slowly, child query where condition your imagination means maybe correctly also you are writing, I think. Try it. Very good. Yes, here so many fellows are writing, but unfortunately, logic is very important. Alias name also very important. Those two things properly you are using. At which operator is suitable? Under or very good and operator. That is your imagination or not. Check it out purpose. Observe here. How can I mean? Concentrate. Concentrate here. This is two ways you are writing. How can I select a star from? Don't write it. Don't write it. It's a predefined query. No, select star from EMP. But correlated subquery is compulsory. We are creating alias name EMPE, otherwise EMPE1. Your own wish, anything also. So now here your own wish EMPE also not a problem. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now here where exists. Here we are using a what? Select after where class. Don't use any column name because exist operator no, because this is a correlated subquery no. Yeah, select a star also possible here from here EMP. Here alias name is required no, not required. Why? Because what is the rule in a correlated parent query table? Only we are creating alias name and use that alias name in a child query. That is a rule. Okay, fine. Already we are discussing child query table alias name. You are creating or not creating, your own wish. Now here, yes, that's why I am not creating. For example, now here, yes, here from EMP, where now here, tell me where. Very good. E name is equal to which one? Scott. and also, which one? Yes, here E dot salary is equal to here, which one? Yes, salary like this. And now here, yes, here. That employee salary matching or not? Yes, here. Now create alias name and this got salary matching, and now copy this one. I try to execute like this only, and now here, check it out. Suppose here, now here copy, I'm copying this query, and now I try to execute like this only. And now observe here, Scott and Ford getting a what? A same salary, 3,100, 3,100 is there. No? Suppose Scott's salary is more than they were. Okay, so now here that another fellow is greater than, less than. Like this only we are using or not? Yes, here. Suppose some fellows are confusing only. Oh, Murli sir, I'm a first time newcomer. I want to use a what? 2 alias names. Use it, your own wish. Suppose here, now you are confusing this one means just 2 alias names means your interest. Suppose here EMP E1, anything. Okay, now where exist? Okay, fine. And now here, yes, select a star from EMP E2, your own wish. Yes, not a problem. And now here, where E2 dot E name is equal to Scott. And here logical condition, your own wish, no. E1 dot salary is equal to E2 dot salary. This is a dangerous mechanism. Why? Because here anybody using a what? E1 dot Scott means here again Scott it will display. That's the problem. That's a properly. And now here, yes, second alias name that is Scott, that is compare with the what? That employee, all employee salaries only. And now here, check it out, get a candidate row and take that value. Everyone knows or not? Yes, here, then automatically Scott and Ford like this. Either this one or that one, anything also your own wish. And now here, write it, these two queries. Either single alias name, otherwise 2 alias names for one wish. Write it these two queries. But parent query alias name and child query only. That is an easy method. Or this one also. Both the things write it. Because E2 dot E name is Scott. Just this is a predefined query. E name, your salary like this. Scott. In my class, 3,100 is there. In your table, 3,000 is there. Okay, don't worry. And I don't want to display Scott means not equal to also after correlate, so after child query we are using, not a problem. Both the things right. This is a predefined query. Okay, and operator you are using or not, check it out purpose, nothing is there. Okay, now one question is completed. Next another question. What is that one means? Up to now we are using a what exist operator in a correlated subquery. No, generally correlated subquery side one table column values are available or not. In that case only real time side. In all other cases nobody using. But what is the another intro question? Can we use exist operator in a non-correlated subquery? Intro asking. Possible? Can we use exist operator in a non-correlated subquery? Possible? Yes, possible. But in that case, what happened means observe it here. But nobody using it. Project said nobody using. Only correlated exist operator, one table column values are testing in another table. The yesterday concept. Okay, that is a project oriented. But entry question side, maybe interview means any subject also they're asking only. Now here, yes, here, what they're asking, can we use exist operator in a way, a non-correlated subquery? First initial stage, single row subquery, multiple row introduction, I'm telling no, those are called non-correlated subqueries. Can we use, yes, your exist operator in a non-correlated subqueries? Okay, you are telling you what? Yes, for example, yes, okay, fine. But unfortunately, you are telling yes also, your beautiful intro questions they're asking. What is that one means? Anybody writing a what? Telling answer in a way this query without executing. Great. This is a table is there. Observe here. Now, don't very interesting. Now I am writing about some query. What is the answer you are telling me is really great. This is totally different. Totally different. Totally different. Now check it out. Suppose I am writing a non-correlated subquery. Here select star, don't write it, select star from EMP, my interest purpose. Where here alias name is not required because that is a non-correlated subquery. Non-correlated subquery means alias name is not required. Okay, fine. Here where exist, I am writing exists. Here I am typing what something, anything also. Select here department number, star also possible. Here column name is not there. No, that's why select star from EMP. Where department number is equal to 10. Anybody guess it? What is the output? Anybody guessing? Means really great, really great. Okay, so many fellows are mistaken this one. Now here, yes, here. Anybody? What is this one? Oh, some query is there. Where exists select star from EMP? Where department number is equal to 10? What is this query? What is the output? Output, tell me. Very good. So many fellows are telling what? 10th department. Yes, here. That is a wrong answer. Next. Again, some fellows are telling what? Yes, no row selected. No row selected is a wrong answer. Next. Anybody? This is totally different. Totally different. 1 minute you are checking miss, then you are understandable. Okay, very good. What is the output means? Observe here, observe here. All the data from the EMP table. What is this one? Why? What is the reason behind that one? Yes, slight difference is there in execution between the what? Non-correlated, uncorrelated. Observe here. In this case, how it will be executed means, observe here. Suppose here, this is a child query is there. Exist operator returns a boolean value either true or false or not. Whenever child query having a values, then only it will be returns a what? A boolean value true. Exist operator returns a what? True whenever child query having a what? Values. Okay, fine. Whenever exist operator returns true, then only parent query is executed. Whenever exist operator returns false, then parent query is never executed. Here not a candidate row. Here candidate row is not there. Here total table. Whenever the exist operator returns true, then only parent query is executed. Parent query is executed. Parent query is executed. Now in this case, which one? Yes, 10th department is available or not? Yes, available. Available means rows are available means exist operator returns a true or false? True. This is a different execution. No? True. Whenever exist operator returns true, then only parent query is executed. Otherwise, parent query never executed. In this case, true. That's why parent query executed. Parent query means select star from EMP only. Yes, EMP, all the details are displayed. Very good. Now here, check it out. Some fellows, 3 members are telling correct. Now here, check it out. They are guessing at what correct answer. Yes, EMP table or not. These type of questions also, some fellows are logical based only, interesting purpose they are asking, but no use in a project side. Finished. Now here, check it out. Here, just a slight difference only I am writing. Maybe less than 10 I am writing. Now I try to execute this query. What happened? What is the output? Very good. Less than 10 is a what? Is the EMP less than department number less than 10. Any rows are available? No. More than 10 means okay. Less than 10, there is no rows. In EMP table only. That's why here the data is not available. The data is not available means exist operator returns a what? False. Whenever exist operator returns a false means then parent query is never executed. Never executed means what is the output? No rows selected. Very good. No rows selected. You are telling me then only you are selected. Now here check it out. Yes, your how much easy? Yes, no rows selected. Possible or not? Beautiful concept only. Now here write it. But this is not useful in a project side. But interview asking is don't mistake only. Write it. Write it some theory. Write a note. Write a note. In all relational databases, we can also use exist operator. We can also use exist operator in non-correlated subqueries. In this case, database servers, your database. In this case, database servers checks child query returns values or not. Child query returns values or not. When child query return values, then exist operator return true and also when exist operator returns true and also when exist operator returns true, then only parent query is executed. Next para, write it. Next para opposite, write it. Next para. Whenever child query does not return any rows, then exist operator returns false. When exist operator return false, then parent query is never executed. Candidate row is not there here, total query, okay? Then parent query is never executed. Okay, na? Yes, here these two queries you are only check it out in your system, then you are understandable. Oh, child query return values means exist operator is true, then only parent query is executed. Total parent query is executed, not a candidate row. Okay, yeah. Here, that's why in this case, output is a what? EMP table. In a second case, less than department number 10 is not there, no, that is a false only. That's why output is no row selected. Observe here, this first output is here, output. So now here, what is that one? Returns EMP table. Returns EMP table, all rows it will be returned. All rows. Okay, now here Your output is no row selected. This is a empty set now because data is not there, empty set. Then exist operator empty set means always returns false. Exist operator non-empty set means returns true. Returns true means then parent query executed. Returns false means parent query is never executed. Write it this one examples. Anybody not writing what theorem is, copy it, take a snap, underwrite it. This example, right? Okay, na? This second example also, right? Up to now, we are learning what non-correlated subqueries and correlated subqueries. Okay, fine. In a correlated subquery, exist operator, performance operator, you have an idea, these executions, you have an idea. But a non-correlated subquery, only small things I'm telling, single row subquery I'm telling in a database. Again, multiple row subquery you are observing or not, only introduction point I'm telling, in operator I'm telling only. I am not telling you what another operators, all comma NA is there, same like exist operator, all comma NA operator is there. That is I am not telling up to now. Yes, that is also now I am telling, because in every database, sometimes in a parent query where condition side, all is a operator is there, NA is a operator is there. What is that one? I will tell you. In a old database, some is there, but nowadays NA. Again, what is multiple column subqueries? I will tell you, and that is a universal concept. Then only these all the things are complicated. And now here, check it out. Here, non-correlated subquery side, another concept is there. What is that one? All comma in a subquery special operator. Beautiful concept, that one only, very interesting. That is rare cases you're using also interviewer asking, but there is a universal concept, not only Oracle, every database. Write it side heading. Okay, 1 minute only. In comma, all comma, any subquery special operators. These are called subquery special operators. Special operators are used in non-correlated subqueries. Non-correlated subqueries. Oh, non-correlated subqueries means which queries they are using regularly? Multiple row subqueries. Multiple row subqueries. Already multiple row subqueries in operator on ID, but here something different. That meanings and uses, so many things are there. Every database, universal concept, this one. Rare cases they are using also interviewer asking. Alias name is, some fellows are asking, alias names are not required here. Why? Because there is a non-correlated. Here, this is non-correlated subquery. Okay, yeah. So non-correlated. Next, side heading in comma, all comma, NA subquery special operators are used in non-correlated subqueries. Already first initial stage non-correlated, introduction, single row, multiple row, you know. In that multiple row, subqueries, some other operators are there. What is that one? Project oriented, I will tell you. Now concentrate. Beautiful concept only. Very, very interesting. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. That's why in a previous classes, something I'm telling slowly, some queries only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Generally, what is the problem in a databases means, observe it here. Now check it out. Generally, we are using a what in a where class. Whenever we are using a what parent query where class like this. Parent query where class only. In that where class, we are using a what? Some operators, comparison operators are there. Comparison operators means is equal to or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to is there. But these all operators compares only one value at a time, only one value. Suppose 10 like this, here 20 like this, here 10 like this. Only one value at a time is compared. Suppose multiple values I try to compare, possible? Not possible. In a mathematics also, 10, 20, 30, how it is possible? Impossible. Yes, suppose here 20, 30 like this only possible? No, impossible. That's why, yes, whenever we are comparing a what multiple values along with the relational operator, impossible. To overcome this problem, if you want to compare multiple values along with the relational operator, another special operators are there. What is that one? All, NA we are using means then automatically multiple values also comparing by those relational operators. Most powerful. Now really that is correct. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now one by one means the values are not, that is in operator, that is different. Now check it out. Concentrate. You are understandable. Suppose example side I am telling only, don't write it. Select a star from EMP. Where department number is equal to 10, for example. Okay, up to now working. Why? Because this is a department number 10 means so is equal to operator only one value at a time it is compares. That is everyone knows. And now here check it out. Because relational operators default behavior is only one value at a time, it will be compared. Suppose, for example, here multiple values I'm using. Suppose 10, 20. Actually, these are queries only, child query, but first time newcomer purpose I'm telling. 10, 20 means multiple values. Multiple values comparing means is equal to less than, greater than, impossible. And now here, how it is checking only impossible. It means different. Observe it here. Is equal to, less than, greater than. These are comparison operator. Relational operators does not compare multiple values at a time. Impossible. It won't work. Anybody writing like this means it won't work. In the error side, automatically error reading also you are understandable. Now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. Reading the error also you are understandable. Yes. Error. Screen observe. Error. This operator must be followed by which one? NA or all. What is the meaning of this one? Yes, here, if you want to compare, yes, relational operator with multiple values means just we are adding a what? A different functionality. Just we are adding a what? Here something is there. Here adding a what? Along with this relational operator, add a what? Some special operator, subquery special operator is equal to all. Yes, here is equal to NA. These type of operators are there. Whenever we are using the what? These operators, then automatically working. What is the meaning means I will tell you. So now here working or not? Yes. Now check it out. Yes, you're automatically working or not? Yes, here. Simple. Now here, yes. That's why always, whenever we are using a what? Yes, here. Oh, maybe subquery special operator along with so now here, yes, relational operator means multiple values are working or not? Yes, here. The meanings are different. Whenever your meanings are there means then I will tell you. Now here, yes, here. But observe it here, yes, here, just I'm using a what here, all or NA. Suppose here I'm writing a what, a department number. Don't worry, meanings means practically valid. So now department number is there. Now department number is greater than 10, I am giving only. Single value means yes, working. Now here check it out, working. Yes, here working or not. Department number 10. greater than 10 working. Here 20, 30. Suppose I am using a what here, yes, here within the parenthesis, just I am using a what 10 comma 20. Here query is there, child query next only. And now here it won't work. Multiple values means impossible. This operator must be followed by NA or all. Just what is all, what is NA meanings, I will tell you. In that case, we are using a what, those things only, automatically working or not. Yes, here. That's why always first logic is what, where they are using regularly. The child query is a what, multiple values written means multiple row sub query. I am agree. Next time write the queries. But before that one, oh, maybe relational operator does not compare multiple values at a time. If you want to compare those relational operators with multiple values at a time, means just we are adding a new functionality, all our area operators along with the relational operators, then working or not? Yes, here. First that theory write it, then practically so many things we are using one. Now here, yes, here. Write it. Generally, where they are using means I will tell you. Generally, in all relational databases, in all relational databases, relational operators always compares only one value at a time. To overcome this problem, then ANSI/ISO SQL, these are ANSI standards, not a Oracle, every database. To overcome this problem, then ANSI/ISO SQL provided subquery special operators. Subquery special operators along with these relational operators. These relational operators which compares multiple values at a time. These subquery special operators are NA, all. Generally, these subquery special operators are used in multiple row subqueries. Generally, these subquery special operators are used in multiple row subqueries. Okay, first normally you are a first time newcomer means just observe here, select the star from EMP. This example better to write down where department number is equal to 10, one value at a time possible, but multiple values 10, 20 like this only I am giving, it won't work. Just a solution, all, NA is there, no, just here I am using I want NA only, what is NA, what is all, meanings I will tell you, don't worry. Now first write it this one. Just idea purpose. Finished this theory. This example, write it, then we are starting practically meanings and of uses, where they are using in a project side, those are all the things. Solution. What is in a what is all? Don't worry. I will tell you those differences and all. Just example purpose. This error also, right? Error reading also, you understand. Now concentrate here. Completed. Where they are using in a project side means first observe it here. Anybody attending a what first day of the where sub queries. Non-correlated, I am telling. In that class, first query I am telling, you are observing or not. Why I am designing these all the things very slowly, I am telling me is these all the things common concepts in every database. Now here check it out. First query, what I am telling me is you are observing or not, display the employees who are getting a more salary than the average salary from EMP table. I am telling or not, observe here. First query in a way non-correlated subquery. What is the query I am telling? I display the employees who are getting more salary than they were average salary from EMP table. Select AVG of salary from EMP. I am writing or not? Yes. This is single row subquery. Everyone knows. Why? Because child query returns a what? A single value. That's why single row subquery. Yes, here in this single row subquery, any operator also, yeah, okay, greater than less than is equal to any operator also we are using only. Yes, here that is the so no answer I am telling only. Okay, man. But unfortunately, in the same query, just observe it here. Here it's a group function. Okay, normally one group function we are using means single value it will be returned. But unfortunately, suddenly I am changing a what this child query, for example. Just I am writing a what a group by class. You have an idea? Not? Yes, here group space by department number I am writing, for example. Whenever we are using a what this query means each department average salary I want to display more than that average salary on more than this all the average salary some employees I want only I want that requirement. For example, I want to display the employees who are getting a more salary than the all the average salaries of the where in each department I want. But unfortunately in this case, observe here. In this case, child query returns a multiple values. Here, child query returns a what? Multiple values. Why? Because each department average salary. Each department average salary means multiple values, 3 values to be returned. That's why here, whenever child query returns a multiple values is equal to we are using means then in operator we are using, but not is equal to here greater than less than operator is there. I want to display the employees who are getting more salary than all the average salaries from each department means how can I greater than normally we are writing means yes it won't work. So now here it will give a what error single row subquery returns more than one row. Subquery returns more than one row. That's why so many interview are a beautiful way. Highly experienced side 5 years, 6 years means one query they're asking only what is that one? I want to display the employees who are getting more salary than the all the salaries of the where all these average salaries of the each department they're asking. In that case, maybe interview means a little bit of tension. That's why I am also you are also writing how can I maybe more salary means salary is greater than. Again, here average salary in each department means select AVG of son of salary, and now here from EMP. Yes, group by son of department number. Yes, I am also, you are also writing generally, but immediately interviewer identifying he's a fake candidate only. And now here, why? Because yes, you are a good professional means you are observing here group by department number is there. Whenever group by clause is there, multiple values are there or not, maybe multiple values are there. Whenever multiple values are there, these average salaries in each department means they are maybe 10th department average salary, 20th department average salary, 30th department average salary there. That's a multiple values it will be written. Whenever child query returns a multiple values, that's a multiple row sub query. In a multiple row sub query, yes, here is equal to place in we are using, but greater than or less than is there. How can I use it? That is important. And now here check it out. Yes, that's why here I am writing about this query also. Sub query returns more than one row is there. Oh, maybe that's what the meaning of this one. Child query returns more than one value or not. That is a what? Multiple row sub query. In a multiple row sub query, whenever greater than or less than is there, based on the requirement, we are using a what? Along with the greater than sub query special operator all, or sub query special operator NA we are using. What do you mean by all? What is it mean by NA? I will tell you. These meanings are there. Yes, sir. In this case, I want to display the employees who are getting more salary than the all the average salaries in each department. That one only. All we are using means automatically in this case it will be displayed some output or not. What is this all? How it is working? What is that one? I will tell you. That's why here subquery returns more than one row. Then in that case we are using a what? Child query returns multiple values means multiple row subquery. In that case all are NA based on the requirement we are using. What is that one? Greater than is there? No? Greater than or less than. But is equal to means in only, but greater than less than means compulsory we are using a what? Yes, all are NA only. Write it. Another theory. Then we are starting only. Write it some query. Write a query first. Then only we are starting meanings and uses and all. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary of all departments from EMP table. All departments from EMP table. What is all? What is in? I will tell you next. Don't worry. First, write it this one. Just idea for Oracle Corporation or ANSI standard giving a meanings. In that case, those meanings based on I will tell you. Some solution, right? NA also there, but what is the requirement? What is that one? Okay, na? Up to this one is enough today. These are what is all, what is NA, what is in, what is equal to NA, same as a in operator, what is not equal to NA, not in, not same as not in operator, what is that one, those all the things I will tell you. Now here, that is the next class is a better option. But unfortunately, tomorrow there is no class because of Diwali. Day after tomorrow will continue. Okay, na? Friday class is there, Saturday also there, Sunday also maybe. Okay. So next class will be on Friday. Tomorrow there is no class. But because of Diwali, tomorrow holiday. Okay, na? Day after tomorrow will continue. Friday will continue. Okay, na? Yeah. Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you. Day after tomorrow will continue.